Yo guys, Coach Zeno here. Welcome to my first YouTube video. Today I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to remove background noise from your microphone. I'm going to be using a program called Sonar by SteelSeries. My microphone is SteelSeries, but this will work with any form of microphone. And I'll be honest with you, I wasn't intending on doing this tutorial, but as I was setting things up for content creation, I kind of stumbled across this trick. I've always dealt with a sort of staticky buzzing noise in my microphone, and I never really knew how to get rid of it. Obviously, there's options such as Audacity. If you're in post-production, after you've recorded a video, yeah, sure, you can go and remove a bit of background noise. But this is the ideal solution for people who want to correct this noise on the go. If you're streaming, if you're in a live chat with your mates while you're gaming, this does it on demand, instantly corrected. For the most part, I'd say 99.9% of the background noise is removed. Especially if you've got a clacky keyboard like me, it can be very annoying. So yeah, without further ado, let's run the intro and get into this. Now we've jumped over to the computer, I'm going to show you guys how to quickly get this set up, and in a matter of minutes you'll no longer be that guy or girl who gets muted by their mates in the lobby because your mic's crap. Okay, so go ahead and open up your browser and type in on the top SteelSeries GG. I will provide a link to this website in the description so you can get there nice and quickly. Hit the free download button. I have already got it installed and I can't be bothered to redo that, so you're on your own for this part. But yeah, go ahead and get it downloaded, get it installed. Do bear in mind, I'm pretty sure when you get the installer up, it will give you some checkboxes on what elements you'd like to install. Now, SteelSeries GG is a package, if you will, of loads of different utilities, as far as I'm aware at least. But the one thing we do need is Sonar. That's what we want to worry about for now. And you can play around with the other aspects later in your own time. But yeah, make sure Sonar is installed. That's what we're going to be using today. So yeah, get that sorted and I will meet you guys over on the app. Okay, so you've got it downloaded and installed. If you haven't, then pause the video now and get that done. But you should be looking at a screen exactly the same as I am now. Make sure that you've created an account also. As you can see, they've named me Premium Geese 84, which is quite sick actually. I might have to swap over from Coach Zeno. But anyways, head over to the left, click on Sonar, and this brings up your mixer. Make sure that you select the microphone that you wish to cut the background noise from. In my case, this is Game DAC Chat. That's selected. And then head over to the mic section at the top here. Now once we get this up, we've got an equalizer. You can play around with all these different things. There's loads of stuff to do, but for now we're just going to worry about Clearcast AI noise cancellation. I've got this ticked. Natively it won't be ticked obviously, so make sure that you hit that switch. You can then play around with this slider. I think by default it's on 50%, but I've cranked it up because my background noise is terrible and my keyboard is extremely loud, so it makes sense for me to have it a bit higher. For you, you might be able to get away with 50, 40, who knows. Play around with it and see what you prefer. You can also record a sample of your voice at the top, record it and hit play. It will then loop that sample again and again and again, and any changes that you make in this section will then be reflected in the sample. Nice and simples. So yeah, that is pretty much it, to be honest. The last thing I am going to show you is a quick example of what my mic would sound like without the noise cancellation. I'm not editing this audio at all. Post-production, I won't go into Audacity and cut out more background noise like that. So what you are hearing right now is just purely with Clearcast AI activated. So let's get up a notepad. Now you will hear, oh there you go, I've done some practicing before. But yeah, you will hear some clicking, but I'm about to show you that it is nowhere near as bad as what it could be. So there we go, I'm typing, I'm talking. You probably hear a couple little clicks in the background, but this keyboard is absolutely awful. So let us go over to OBS, where I'm recording, and I'm going to change the mic from SteelSeries Sonar over to microphone, which is my native microphone, without anything playing around with it. Now, I've hit OK, and you should notice in the background a really horrible staticky buzzing. It is disgusting. I'm sure my mic's much worse than a lot of you guys will be experiencing, but I'm pretty sure every microphone, unless you have a quality one, will be experiencing that to some degree. Anyway, let's type around and talk. As you can tell, my keyboard is very loud. So yeah, if you're in the same boat as me, this software is going to come in nice and handy for you guys. Let's change it back over. God, I had enough of that. But yeah, anyway, that's pretty much it. That will help you out with streaming, any form of live application of your microphone that you want to use. If you're in a game lobby, like I said earlier, streaming, you're now sorted, and your mates won't hate you forever. So yeah, I did overlook one little thing. Make sure after you have set it up on the SteelSeries GG app, make sure you head over to your sound settings, and where it says input, change it from your normal microphone over to SteelSeries Sonar microphone. And that should then spread across all your apps. Obviously, if it hasn't, then depending on what app you're on, I'm on OBS right now, you can just change it directly from that. But yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm new to this. I haven't got any followers or subscribers. Yeah, so I could do with all your help, especially if you found this useful. Catch me again next time, probably with a gaming video, but who knows? We will see. Peace out.